How to order from SHEIN to Nigeria. First, head to SHEIN's website or download their app. Tap sign up and create an account using your email or social media. Search for your favorite items, dresses, accessories, whatever. Check reviews and size charts to avoid mistakes. Click add to bag when you're ready. Go to your cart and hit checkout. Now, here's the key for Nigeria. SHEIN doesn't ship directly here, so use a trusted shipping forwarder like DHL, UPS, or a local service. Enter their international warehouse address here. Double check everything. Pay with your debit card or PayPal. Nigerian cards work. Confirm your order, you get a tracking number. Once shipped, track your package. Pro tip, save 20% of the item's cost for custom fees. Delivery takes 2 to 4 weeks. And that's it. Your SHEIN haul arrives. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.